Hey guys, it's Sonia. In today's video, we're really excited to announce that we've partnered with Discovery Channel and Oceana once again for another Shark Week collection, and this one contains 4 thermal polishes and brand new nail vinyls. First up is Shark Spark, and this one transitions from a light teal when it's warm to a deeper teal when it's cool, and it's packed with holographic sparkle and a strong purple shimmer. These are really sensitive to temperature change, so I saw that even when I was going in and out of a room with air conditioning, that was enough for me to see a color change on my nails. Next up, we have Sharkify My Love, and this one transitions from a sheer, almost nude color when it's warm to a bright red when it's cold, and it's packed with holographic and iridescent sparkle. Moving on to Midnight MAKO, this one goes from a light blue when it's warm to a darker blue when it's cold, and it's packed with holographic sparkle. Last for the polishes, we have Lemon Shark, and this one goes from a sheer, almost white color when it's warm to yellow when it's cold, and it's packed with holographic sparkle and red shimmer. This polish was inspired by lemon sharks, which get their name from their unique yellow coloring, but unfortunately, like many different types of sharks, their numbers are in decline, which is why we're so proud to partner with Oceana in their efforts to protect our oceans and save the sharks. Along with this limited edition collection, we also released our bright blue holographic nail vinyls containing a couple of different fun shark shapes. And as always, you can use these as stickers or decals on your nail and just place them directly onto your nail and seal with top coat, or you can use them as a stencil and sponge over them or paint over them. Whatever design you want to create, it's totally up to you. The Shark Week collection is a one-time super limited edition release, so I'm going to go ahead and link these in our description box. Make sure that you get on these as soon as possible. They also come with this really cute limited edition packaging, so you don't want to miss out. And until next time, we'll see you soon.